Isip pasalamat sa ilang tanang tabang ug suporta atol sa clearing operations ug paghatod og ayuda human sa Bagyong Odette. Gipasalamatan ni Gobernador Gwen Garcia inubanan sa mga opisyalis sa Hunta Probinsyal ang mga kontraktors, kapolisan, army ug marine ni adtong Lunes, Pebrero 7. Ang tanang nitabang sa post-ODETTE operations nakadawat og plake isip pasidungog sa ilang bililhon nga kontribusyon ug mga paningkamot nga makabangon ug makabarog dayon ang Sugbo ug mga Sugboanon human sa bagyo. Nakadawat usab sila og cinnamon tree seedling. Ang maong pasidungog gihangop sa mga recipient.
For the uniformed service, we have a mandate to accomplish and a role to play, recognized or unrecognized, appreciated or not appreciated. That is why the simplest form of recognition really means a lot to us. Rest assured, ma'am, that this recognition, we will use it as extra battery pack as we commit to continue to serve and protect the Sugboanons.
Matod sa uban kanila, sila ang angay nga magpasalamat sa gobernador sa paghatag niini og oportunidad nga makatabang sila og sa paggiya kanila.
Saksi gyud ko sa iyang great leadership in crisis, sa critical times, nga efficiently og nabuhat gyud namo og what was needed sa katugid nga mga times. And saksi sad ko sa mga meetings sa katong mga kanang reconnection sa mga signals and electrical wires. Grabe gyud si Gov, mangayo og resulta. Sa nakaingon gyud ko dito, og dili pa ka si gobernador ang ato ang governor karon. Inani sad baka kapaspas mulian ang Cebu. So kami instrumento ra gyud mi sa ato ang gobernadora. So thank you Gov sa opportunity.
You've heard a lot of people talking about how resilient Cebu is, and I really agree. And a lot of that we really owe to Governor Garcia. Governor, if it weren't for your coordination meetings, your pushes, and especially your how can I help you, mugid to. It's all about support. We supported each other.
So natubag siguro namo somehow ang pangutana unsa ang Sebeco after or beyond Father Silva's time. Salamat Governor, no? We lost a father but we gained a mother, no? A great motivator who brings out the best in us in the person of Governor Gwen.
Sa iyang bahin, si Gobernador Gwen Garcia nagkanayon nga nahimong posible ang tanan tungod sa pagtinabangay ug panaghiusa alang sa mga Sugboanon.
Some of you in your speeches earlier gave me credit for having given that direction. But you know, I am just one person. I am just a drop in the ocean because you heeded my call and we all came together. Then we became a vast ocean of strength from which we rebuilt people's homes and people's lives. And I will eternally be grateful for having been given this blessing. At this particular point in the history of this great province, this blessing to lead such a great people as the Cebuanos, and you who came forward to prove to one and all that indeed Cebu is the best and the greatest province in this country. Cebu has risen once again, proving to one and all why Cebu indeed is the #1 province in the entire country today. I hope that each of you will find the time and the effort to plant and to nurture the cinnamon plant. That is symbolic of Cebu. And that, as it grows stronger, will symbolize the bond that we established during that most critical of times, right after Typhoon Odette. May that bond grow stronger as this little seedling grows into a tree, a bond that will never break and will define the unity that we now see in this one island with one vision, one Cebu. Sa makausapa, gikan sa kinahilladman sa akong kasing-kasing. Daghan kaayong salamat kaninyong tanan sa inyong tampo, sa inyong paningkamot, sa inyong pagpakita kung ngano each time when I look at how Cebuanos can work together as one, I can truly say, I am proud to be a Cebuano.
John Fredson Grenada, Balita sa Sugbo.